Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at home. Got a phone call from my daughter. The car will not start with the key. Key is saying wrong key installed or key not detected. Now I know these keys are good. At least hers is OEM. This is a eBay key, somebody off eBay. When you have this emblem on the back like Dodge, so I gave her the most important OEM key. But we don't have a key issue. We have a electrical issue. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, slightly the battery is down, guys. So I got the hood open. What I'm about to do is jump start it. Okay, now this battery that I have in here is not that old, so I don't really understand. And there's really, well, that's still a way, but cars nowadays are pretty much idiot proof, I want to say. Because remember, you leave something on, you would run your battery down overnight. Okay, that is not the case. I made sure she didn't leave anything on last night. Okay, what I mean by idiot proof, guys, is most of the modules would shut everything down anyway in the event that you accidentally left something on. Okay, so all I'm gonna do right now is jump start this thing. Y'all know we have this car this is a Dodge Journey 2012 model. It has jump ports. Okay, so of course red, black is black. Let me turn this on. I only had 3 volts. Now I have 12 because of the battery, the jump box. All right, let me see if I can get this thing going. Key don't have to be. Y'all know if your remote ever suspect, use the nosebleed of the key to start the car. I'm starting it the regular way because yes, the battery was down. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, it's fairly simple. I don't even want to chance it. Anytime you have your significant other or your kids and you have a suspected battery failure, you pretty much get them a new battery. You yourself, you can deal with it because I ride around with a jump box in my car all the time. All right, but not so much my family members. In fact, I'm going to get them one of those little portable ones to keep in the glove box. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do, guys, it shouldn't be that hard of a job. Now, those of you know, or most of you know, what they're doing with batteries these days. They're not as easily accessible as they used to be. In fact, this battery is above the tire, in front of the tire, in this area. Okay, so what I'm about to do, I want a fairly inexpensive battery that will give me a good warranty. And the best place to go, in my opinion, it's my opinion, I'm entitled to that. I'm headed to Walmart, guys. So let me go to a quick ad break, me run up here and get a battery, and we're gonna proceed, guys. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys, I am now in the battery section. All these batteries over here. Now, you really want to grab the battery that's designed for your car, or the battery that your car calls for. Okay, now they got this little machine right here. Actually, let's fire it up, guys. Okay, we're gonna go in the truck. So I'm looking for a battery for my Dodge C-D. Dodge, this is a 2012 Dodge. 2012 right here. This is a Journey. Okay, let's choose Journey. I got a 3.6 liter gas engine. Now, according to all option, empty footnote, what is they talking about? Let me go back. Okay, according to this, the car battery my car calls for the VP26. VP26. Like I say, guys, the thing about these batteries, they have a nice little 1-year warranty on it. I mean, what are the chances of it going out in a year? Very high. But they will give you a nut. Here it is, VP26, $54, guys. You cannot beat that. Okay. Wow, this sure is small for a Dodge Charger. Okay, so it's actually the same size battery as a PT Cruiser. Wow. Okay, that's what they said it costs for. But Alright, now this is why I end up getting my battery. And like I say, because of this warranty, guys, do not lose your receipt, okay? It's not kept in the computer. It's not kept on file. They actually expect you to hang on to your receipt. This battery likely will die within a year. But because you have a 1-year warranty, you will get another one. Now, I've been going at least 4 years in a row with my blue PT Cruiser getting a battery. They honor the warranty. Walmart will honor the warranty. That is the way to get a battery for life, if you ask me. I mean, I hate to put it that way. I'm sure Walmart don't agree with that, and they don't want me saying such things, but it is the case. That is the last battery I'll pay for my blue PT Cruiser. Seems every year I'm getting another battery, and I hangs on to the receipt for dear life, guys. All right, I'm done here. I got my battery, so let me go. I'm going to head to the shop. What I'm going to do is take another ad break real quick, head to the shop, and get this battery put in. Y'all stay with me. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm at the shop now, back from Walmart. That's right, guys. That's a little Walmart trick I employed a while back. Now, she should never have to pay for another battery. Anyway, I have this car pulled up on my scan tool. As you can see, all these fault codes in yellow indicate trouble codes, okay? There's no fault codes in the PCM. And these lightning bolts simply represents there's a flash update to these modules. I haven't gotten around to flashing those. Now this red module indicates that this module, hands-free module, is totally off the bus. Hence the reason why her navigation will not work and her radio goes in and out. So I will at some point have to get a new hands-free module, and these are not easy to replace, okay? But I have to get one. This is off the bus. I'm almost certain it's internally just failed. Okay, now let's take a look. All DTCs, like I say, you can see all these battery codes. Likely that indicates battery internal, battery shorted, all of that stuff. No need to dwell on any of these. If you see fault codes like this, it's fairly simple, guys. You pretty much need to test and replace your battery. All right. So let's get going, man. We're gonna get this battery replaced right now. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, we're back. Here's my new Everystart Walmart battery. All right, I'm getting ready to put this in. Now you don't have to take the wheel off. I just chose to do that because I wanted to inspect my brakes anyway. But guys, the battery, I don't know if you can see the card, fender well, left front fender well area. The battery is in here. So all we need to do is get this cover off. Okay, once we do that, we will gain access to the battery. All right, so let's get this cover off. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so this one's gonna be fairly easy. I got the cover off. I just got it bent to the side. There's no bracket for some reason, so there's a chance that this battery could have been moving around in here. You really want a battery at a complete standstill. You don't need it bouncing around or anything like that. But because there's no battery hold down, this one will be fairly easy. But if you don't have a battery hold down, you might ought to invest in one. Okay, like I said, you don't want that battery bouncing around. So let's get this positive off first, since it's fairly easy. You really always want to take negative off first, but this one right here, easy access. Yeah, this battery is doing way too much moving around in there. Alright, we got positive off. We don't want it to accidentally touch while we're doing it. Now we want the negative clamp off. There's the 10mm head we're trying to get to. Simply take your preferably electric ratchet up there and just loosen it up. Simply work it off. Okay, this IBS is very sensitive, guys. Do not damage it. In fact, I did a whole video on that. I'm gonna link that up there where you can go watch that, how important this little sensor is. All right, so let's get this battery, negative battery post off. All right, let's get it. All right, so we got the negative post off. Negative post / IBS module. It plays both roles. Okay, now we just simply have to fish the battery out, guys. All right, there you have it. That's my old battery. Mopar battery. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the GR8 to make sure it's bad, but in the meantime I'm in a hurry, so let's get this new alternator new Walmart battery put on. That should about wrap it up, guys. Like I say, you don't have a hold down to fight with, so everything else should be easily. Button everything back up, put the wheel on, erased all those fault codes. As you saw, it was a gazillion fault codes relating to battery voltage. All right, so once the computers figure out there's adequate voltage, those codes won't mean a thing at that point. Okay, but that's about it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.